In the silent depths of the world's oceans, far from public view, one of the most formidable naval weapons ever developed stands guard over maritime dominance. The Mk-48 heavyweight torpedo is not just a weapon, it is a symbol of underwater superiority, engineered to ensure that hostile submarines and surface ships never gain the advantage. Designed during the Cold War and continuously upgraded to meet modern threats, the Mk-48 remains the backbone of United States Navy submarine warfare and a key element of Allied naval power. The story of the Mk-48 begins in an era when the oceans had become a strategic battlefield. As nuclear-powered submarines grew quieter, faster, and deadlier, the need for a next-generation torpedo became critical. The United States required a weapon capable of hunting deep-diving, high-speed enemy submarines while also retaining the flexibility to attack heavily defended surface vessels. The answer was the Mk-48, a heavyweight torpedo designed from the ground up to dominate the undersea domain. What sets the Mk-48 apart immediately is its sheer size and power. Measuring over 19 feet in length and weighing nearly 2 tons, this torpedo carries a massive high-explosive warhead capable of breaking the keel of large warships or destroying even the most resilient submarines. Unlike smaller lightweight torpedoes used by aircraft and surface ships, the Mk-48 is built exclusively for submarine launch, allowing it to be optimized for stealth, endurance, and destructive capability. At the heart of the Mk-48 is its advanced propulsion system. Powered by a piston engine using auto fuel, the torpedo can reach speeds exceeding 55 knots, making it one of the fastest underwater weapons ever deployed. This speed allows it to close the distance on evasive targets quickly, reducing the enemy's ability to counter or outrun the threat. More importantly, the propulsion system is designed to operate quietly, minimizing acoustic signatures and preserving the element of surprise during an engagement. Guidance is where the Mk-48 truly earns its reputation. Equipped with sophisticated active and passive sonar systems, the torpedo can detect, classify, and track targets in some of the most challenging underwater environments. Passive sonar allows it to listen for the unique acoustic signatures of submarines and ships, while active sonar enables precise targeting when required. This dual-mode capability ensures effectiveness against both stealthy submarines and surface combatants employing countermeasures. One of the most critical features of the Mk-48 is its wire guidance system. After launch, the torpedo remains connected to the firing submarine via a thin guidance wire. This allows submarine crews to update targeting data in real time, redirect the torpedo, or even abort the attack if necessary. This level of control dramatically increases accuracy and reduces the risk of unintended engagement, reflecting the emphasis on precision in modern naval warfare. Over the decades, the Mk-48 has undergone continuous modernization. The most advanced variant, the Mk-48 ADCAP, which stands for Advanced Capability, incorporates cutting-edge digital processors, improved sonar, and enhanced resistance to enemy countermeasures. These upgrades allow the torpedo to operate effectively in both deep ocean environments and complex shallow water conditions, where background noise, seabed clutter, and civilian traffic can complicate detection. Shallow water warfare is one of the most demanding challenges for any torpedo, and the Mk-48 has been specifically adapted to meet it. Coastal regions often feature variable temperatures, salinity layers, and dense acoustic interference, all of which can degrade sonar performance. Through advanced signal processing and adaptive guidance algorithms, the Mk-48 can filter out noise and maintain a reliable lock on its target, even in these highly contested environments. The destructive power of the Mk-48 lies not just in its explosive yield, but in how it delivers that force. Rather than relying solely on direct impact, the torpedo is designed to detonate beneath the target. This creates a powerful gas bubble that lifts the ship's hull and then collapses, causing catastrophic structural failure. This method, known as keel breaking, can sink large warships with a single hit, demonstrating why the Mk-48 is feared by surface fleets around the world. In submarine-on-submarine combat, the Mk-48 is equally devastating. Modern submarines are built to withstand immense pressure at depth, but they remain vulnerable to the shockwaves and hull breaches caused by a heavyweight torpedo detonation. The Mk-48's ability to pursue targets at great depths ensures that even deep-diving submarines cannot escape once detected and engaged. The role of the Mk-48 extends beyond raw combat power. Its presence acts as a powerful deterrent. Potential adversaries are well aware that any hostile submarine or surface vessel detected by a U.S. or Allied submarine could be engaged with a weapon that is fast, precise, and extremely difficult to defeat. This deterrence helps maintain stability in key maritime regions and reinforces freedom of navigation across global sea lanes. Training and doctrine surrounding the Mk-48 are just as important as the weapon itself. Submarine crews undergo extensive preparation to master torpedo employment, target analysis, and engagement tactics. Decisions about when and how to deploy a Mk-48 are made with extreme caution, reflecting the strategic consequences of undersea warfare. This human element, combined with advanced technology, ensures that the weapon is used responsibly and effectively. The Mk-48 is also a testament to long-term defense innovation. Few weapons systems remain relevant for decades, yet the Mk-48 has evolved alongside changing threats, from Cold War-era Soviet submarines to modern, ultra-quiet diesel-electric and nuclear-powered platforms. Its modular design allows for incremental upgrades, ensuring that it remains effective against emerging technologies without the need for complete replacement. Allied navies also rely on the Mk-48, highlighting its global impact. Countries operating advanced submarines benefit from shared technology, training, and interoperability, strengthening collective maritime security. This cooperation ensures that friendly forces can operate seamlessly together in joint operations, enhancing deterrence and defense on a global scale. As naval warfare continues to evolve, the Mk-48 heavyweight torpedo remains a cornerstone of undersea dominance. While new technologies such as unmanned underwater vehicles and advanced sensors are reshaping the battlespace, the fundamental requirement for a reliable, powerful, and precise torpedo has not changed. The Mk-48 continues to meet that requirement with unmatched performance and proven reliability. In many ways, the Mk-48 represents the unseen strength of naval power. It operates in silence, hidden beneath the waves, yet its influence shapes strategic calculations at the highest levels. Nations may showcase aircraft carriers and fighter jets, but it is weapons like the Mk-48 that ensure control of the depths, where wars can be decided without a single shot being seen. Ultimately, the Mk-48 heavyweight torpedo is more than a piece of military hardware. It is the result of decades of research, experience, and adaptation, designed to protect national interests and maintain balance in an unpredictable world. As long as submarines patrol the oceans and threats exist, beneath the surface, the Mk-48 will remain a guardian of the deep, silent, powerful, and ever ready.